maintaining target flow to pre-filtration. Check the gauge readings here. Looks good. Condensation levels are normal.
Pressure differential holding steady at 0.5. Good. The backwash sequence is effective.
Taste and odor are refined here. Precision separates purity from excess. Light neutralizes what remains. Balance restores natural character. Purity weights stabilized. Containers enter the line. Shape is formed in seconds. Cleanliness is absolute. Identity is applied.
Standards are enforced continuously.
Prepared for movement. Secured for transit. Ready on demand. Distribution begins.
And this is how modern factories produce bottled water from start to finish.